Bye. Musadya. So today, I'm feeling bad about myself. I'm not in a good place. Like mental health, physical situation, whatever. Feeling na ako kanang I'm not in my best. I'm not in my best. How do you call this? I'm not in my best self. I'm not in my peak capacity. At the moment, I feel like I have a lot of mental issues. I have a lot of mental. I feel bad. I'm not happy of what I've done. I'm not happy of what I am currently doing. I can do much better, and at the same time, also like I'm just not. I'm just feeling bad about the situation that I'm at right now. My work situation we're in. I feel like I have this wounding na mura ganang feeling ako inadequate ko or something, and then I just feel like anyway. It's so hard for me to explain, but I know I acknowledge all these, and I've learned this in the past year that there's much more to your mental health. Here's what I'm going to do. Starting today, same with my Bisaya Bai vlog. This is my Bisaya Bai vlog. This is same with my bisdakvlagger vlog. I'm gonna try to reinvent myself. I'm gonna try to do more posts, do more, much better videos. But I'm gonna also post my old videos. I'm gonna do much better in my work, in my photography. I'm gonna go for a level up or go for something that's new. I'm gonna reinvent myself. Kanang ako sang kanang my situation right now. I want to make more money. I wanna be something that I'm not right now. I want to be higher because I think I can do better. I'm just not doing it. So this video will serve as my marker. Today's the keep on looking, 16th of August 2025, and after a year I'll check this out. So I'll usually magimo ko mga goals. It'll be within like a week, a month. I'll try to do a month of this, and I'll try to a week of this and everything. And I've been doing that, and then the thing is, it's not getting me anywhere. Like it's just stays there. So here's the thing, I'm gonna make it so long. I'm gonna have a year. I'm gonna reinvent myself. If I am gonna be disappointed by then, well, that's it. If I'm gonna be better than where I am now, then that's it. So I'll try to up my game at the same time for the situation, for the people that I'm not happy with, for the people that makes me feel small, mga taong mga makapa sakit sa akong feeling na ako gamay ko nga murang irrelevant. I'm gonna stay away from them. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna show them. Na-excite kong murang nakuyuan. Pero anyway, I just want to make this video out. I know it's hard for me to explain, but when the time comes, maka-explain ko sa inyo what's really happening, what's really I'm feeling. But I just want to make this as a marker. So let's go. Luto sa barbecue.